Okay, the first thing I'm going to tackle today is this area, which is my work area, and underneath I've had all this random stuff, so I need to clean that all up. All right, all done with this. I've just got, this is all in motion gifts, and these are crafts that we have to do. All right, I'm gonna fold this laundry. I just went through all of my winter wardrobe, and I'm gonna get rid of these two things because they just, I never go for them. But I did fold all of my ones that I don't like to hang up, sweaters, and then I hung up the other stuff for my winter, a very small closet. And then I have a couple of my winter dresses, and that's about it. Do you ever notice how every day is pretty much the same when you're a mom? It's so funny to me, like, especially doing Vlogmas, I'm like really reminded that literally every day is Groundhog's Day.
Can I help you?
Yeah, maybe a couple things changed. Okay, we're gonna clean this bathroom. It needs a good scrub. And typically what I use is, I do have Windex, I need to grab that, but I use this wet and forget shower. Usually I'll do it like this morning I took a shower and then I would spray it all over. Okay, and then I do use this because this gets the shower grout cleaned. And then I do use the pink stuff for my sinks, stuff like that. So, and then I use this for dusting like the shelves and stuff when they don't need like a wash.
Let's put it back because we're gonna leave.
Okay.
Because we just did a resort.
Oh, which resort?
That I bought.
Oh, you bought a resort?
It has all of the fun places in the world.
Alright, this bathroom is cleaned. I've just got this stuff. I disinfected the toys and I have those out and they are drying, but it's all ready to go. And I also had cleaned the boys' bathroom while I did that. These two are playing. Oh yes, okay. Don't know what they're playing. All right, for lunch today we have a smorgasbord. I made turmeric chicken in the crock pot so I can do some,
Mommy?
like a savory chicken salad.
Mommy.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do chicken salad for me and Sean, and then the kids are all having variations of sandwiches.
Sam's a sandwich. Can I put that in?
Santa cutter. So what would you like?
Is there just a turkey sandwich?
No, I could do shredded chicken with mayo. All right, we're on date night. Started it out with Lowe's. Tried to do lighting today. And we were quickly, well, not quickly, it was like an hour or two. Really realizing that we can't put the lighting in because our house is so old and everything takes a million years. Now we're gonna go eat. All right, it is way later on Sunday evening, and I don't even know what I got today, so I may just combine today and tomorrow as one and then post that Tuesday. So we may be missing Mondays, so I'm sorry about that. But I'll at least have vlogged those days. I'll just post them on one day because tomorrow we have a field trip. So I get to go on a field trip with Archie's class and I'll be there all day. Like we leave at like 8 a.m. and then we get home at like 5. right. Hello. Okay, so we just got home from the field trip. I am exhausted. It is about 5:26 and Sean is out with Polly and Nash. I don't know what they were doing, but they were just doing stuff. So me and Archie are at home. I just got him a little snack. So the remainder of my night is going to be some family time. I'm gonna share what I can. And yeah, I'm sorry about the Vlogmas vlog today, that it was just like random footage that I got from this weekend or Sunday and Monday, but it's just how it goes. I mean, this is the craziest time of the year. So bear with me. Some days I'll have a good old vlog and some days I'll just have the most random thing you ever saw. One thing I am gonna do, Archie's in the background watching something and it's a little louder than I would like, but choosing my battles. I'm gonna fill up my jars that are up here, up there. Fill those up and I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. First we have lunches from today. Let's see what Nash ate. Oh, he did pretty good. Let's see how much Polly ate. And Archie was with me at the... No, she did pretty good. She didn't eat much of her sandwich, which is not surprising. All right, I'm gonna clean out my bag from the trip, the field trip. I have my wallet. I left my wallet in my jacket, so thankful for my friend that lent me money. It's because holy cow. And then we have Archie's jacket, and then we have a Prime, which is a very special drink in our house. You don't get this very often. We got wipes, a water, and then in here I have Band-Aids, antiseptic or antibiotic ointment, and then we have ibuprofen and wipes, pads, and tampons, just in case, you never know. My AirPods, a brush, lip gloss. I think that's everything. I'm gonna clean all that out. Oh, back here I have, let's see what I have in here. Oh, just some insect repellent. You just never know, you know? So I'm gonna clean that out and put it away and then put all this stuff away. Nash is taking a nap. Napping Nash on the floor of the kitchen. He is one. We might have to go see that. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Oh wait, what was that? I had a piece of ooh. I am filling up my baking jars. I had to wash them all and get fresh ingredients.
Mom, I thought nothing was
All done.
There's a lot to say for people who aren't racing.
Well,